Guys, rooftop number 5 with Madam Jo, Madam Mai, si Boss Vlad. Ma'am, name niyo po kasi? Erlyn. Erlyn, si Alfie. So, si Sir Alfie tsaka si Madam Erlyn, first time nilang mag-join. So, welcome ha. Welcome. Ang dami nilang questions pero i-guide sila ng ating mga veteranang Amazonians, ma'am ha. Relax, just have fun lang ma'am ha. Have fun lang. So, ang dami namin gagawin ngayon na circuit training guys ha. 2, 1, go! Nice, let's go! Side to side, side to side. Yeah, side to side. Very good. Okay, very good. Manjo, mag-tiktak ko na rin kalaban mo. Lala, lala. Natagaling Manjo, very good na. Sige pa good. At good job team Myla, team Madam Myla ha, good job. 1-0 guys, babawi sila Madam Jo second round ha. Good job guys, rest muna, rest. Come on Sir Alfie, let's go. Yan, play. Yarina, 2-0. Good job, Team Myla. Good job, Team Myla. Team Myla wins. Wow, very good. Congrats na. Tingnan na naman. Bumawi na rin Team Joanne ha. Team Joanne bumawi na next week.